These are the future of all of our motorsports right here in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. We see it all over. You get 12-year-old kids running monster trucks or mini monster trucks. It's coming. It's all about the money. They'll build it to the size of the kid that you've got.
Hold on for a second.
Somebody started already.
He's never done that.
We're going to do 2 laps. We just told the kids 2 laps. We're going to do 2 laps. We're going to come back here, and then immediately following this is going to be their derby race. Scoring officials. UMS officials ready? Let's count them down, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make it loud so they can hear us. They're kids. 5,